who launched this RC plane were doing it as a hoax, or it just happened that they had this really colorful craft that was mistaken?
I don't think anybody was trying to hoax.
This film includes some violent content. Parental discretion is advised.